Welcome! If your X app on PC keeps showing posts or accounts you've already blocked or muted, don't worry today, we're going to fix that. There's a new update that finally lets you remove blocked and muted accounts from your search results. Let's walk through it step by step so you can clean up your feed and have a smoother experience. First, open the X app on your PC. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see the main menu. Click on the option that says More. Next, from that expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account configurations are stored. It might look a little different depending on when you last updated the app, but don't worry, the labels are the same. Now, under Settings and Privacy, choose Privacy and Safety. This section controls what you see and what others can find on your profile. Within Privacy and Safety, click on Content You See. This tab is important because it customizes everything that appears while you browse. From here, go ahead and click Search Settings. You'll notice a few customizable options related to your search results and filters. In this new update, there's a helpful feature specifically for removing blocked and muted accounts. Check the box that says Remove Blocked and Muted Accounts. When you enable that, your future searches will automatically exclude any profiles you've blocked or muted, keeping your discoveries more relevant and less cluttered. Once you've done that, you can close the Settings tab and get back to exploring. From now on, your search results should feel fresh and free from unwanted accounts. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've taken control of your visibility and improved your browsing experience on X. If you found this useful, make sure to keep your app updated. New tweaks like this are rolling out constantly to make your time online smoother and more personal.